In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Minecraft keeps showing connection interrupted error. Let's get started. First, completely close Minecraft on a PC so it is not running in the background. Then right click on the start menu and open network connections or launcher settings. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search bar. Type in network reset. Once option appears, click on reset now. After that, restart your PC so Windows can fully reset your network configuration. This alone often fixes connection related errors in Minecraft. Next, search for command prompt. Right click on it and select the option known as administrator. Now here type in the command prompt ipconfig space slash flush DNS and press enter. This clears old or corrupted network data that may be blocking Minecraft from connecting properly. After that, close the command prompt and try launching Minecraft again to see if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, open control panel or search for view network connection. Different network options will appear. Select the one that is active that we're using. Right click on it. Select the option properties. Now find Internet Protocol version 4 and click properties. Now switch to use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 as preferred DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS. Click OK and close everything. This changes your DNS to Google Public DNS, which often improves connectivity and fixes socket-related errors in Minecraft. If that still does not work, open Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on the option Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then scroll and find Minecraft, Java, or your custom launcher. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked for each one. If you're using a launcher like CurseForge, ensure it is allowed it through the firewall. This ensures Minecraft is not being blocked by Windows security settings. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.